Welcome back to Grow Joyfully. It's a little bit overcast. Part of it's sunny. I'm really looking forward to the day. So is Lucy. We're going out to feed the chickens and the rabbit. So come along. Welcome to Grow Joyfully. Good morning. Oh yes, they're so excited. I brought them out some bread and some other scraps, and they're just going to town on it. To feed them their scratch though. Is this what you're waiting for? There you go. Lots of nummies. I love all their little funny chicken noises. There's Mrs. Fluffyhead right in the middle. And little Miss Cochin's getting her feathers back now that it's getting warmer. Time to fill up the hopper. Their eggs are so much cleaner since we have the pine shavings down and it's not so wet out here, which is a great relief. Yeah, I know. But look at all those beautiful colors. These right here are from the olive egger. The white ones from the brown leghorns. The dark brown ones from the marrons. And the lighter green ones from the Americanas. They're all such lovely chickens. Time to go feed George. George, you are such a messy boy. You knocked over your bowl, your water's filthy. Let's get you all cleaned up. My daughter got his cage cleaned out really well yesterday, and now he's got clean water. He's got his alfalfa pellets and bunny treats, and he's got some yummy hay, and he's all fed. Yes, you are. You're a good boy, buddy. Such a nice little fluffy guy. George now has clean water and feed and hay, and I gave him a little bit of bread. Yeah, hear that he's fluffing his feathers. And he is set for the day. Well, the animals are fed and watered. It's time to put up the eggs, wash my hands, give Lucy a pat on the head, and get into my greenhouse. Is that right, Lucy? Is that right? Oh yeah, wag, wag, wag. Yes, what are you doing? Are you being cute? Oh my goodness, yes. I can't pet you, I have eggs in my hand. I'll go wash my hands. I would say the egg production is ramping up. How about you? It's taking me so long today to get out here to the greenhouse. But after I exercise and shower, make the bed, and wash 3 loads of laundry, clean the powder room, put some dinner in the crock pot, feed and water all the animals, it does take a little while to get out here. And I made myself some breakfast, so doesn't feel like I've gotten much done, but actually I have, so I got to cut myself some slack. It is 46 degrees outside right now. And it's almost 62 degrees inside the greenhouse. I'm still working on strengthening my immunity. So the herbal tea of the day is raspberry and hibiscus, raspberry and pomegranate, and the Echinacea Plus, and some freeze-dried ginger for good measure. Plus I have the honey and lemon in it. I love coming out here and just looking at them. Oh, they're so beautiful. What have we got back here? Abe Lincolns. Oh, doing really well. So I've got to get them over here and start potting them up. I got so focused on what I was doing, I forgot to film planting the bunching onions and the cucumbers and the jack-o'-lantern. But I will film planting the dark green zucchini and the golden zucchini in this container. There weren't that many seeds in there. It was a brand new one from the $1.25 store. It's a good thing I've bought a lot over the last few years, and last summer I got quite a few at the $1.25 store, probably more like spring. Every time I go in there, I always buy some of my favorite seeds. So now we have golden and dark green zucchini planted. I don't know if I've tried this variety before. I might have last year. This looks like a crookneck yellow squash. This brand is from Burpee, and it says Summer Squash Pick and Pick Hybrid. So we're going to give that one a try too. My sister really likes the yellow squash. And I want to try again to plant the Italian striped zucchini. They're very pretty, and they've done quite well for me in the last 2 years. I want to plant some Armenian cucumber light. This is the light color of the Armenian cucumber, which, according to Jess off of Roots and Refuge Farms, is actually a melon. But it makes a wonderful cucumber. It doesn't pickle real great because it gets soft, but it's just very enjoyable to eat on salads and fresh and however you want to eat it. Well, I have run out of water in the greenhouse, and I have to go get a whole bunch more in the garage sink. But I think I'm going to call it a day now. I got quite a few things planted today. Lots of squash and zucchini, pumpkin, cucumber type things, and that's exciting. I'm ready to go to my sister's and have some company and carry on with my day. It's quite overcast outside, and that does bother me, but I am dealing with it, and I am going to wish you a wonderful day and get outside and do anything. Walk, bundle up even if it's cold and snowy. Go outside and play with your pets. Go visit a family member. Go out and work in your greenhouse. Whatever you can do, just get outside. Do something nice for yourself. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for stopping by.